all. Have a pleasant day. Let me ask you a question first. Is zero defect possible? Is precision possible? Is sustained excellence possible? No, it is not possible. No, not at all. How can it be possible? It cannot be possible for any human being. Don't you know to err is human? One of these should be your answer for my question. Fine. Let me share a small story with you. Once, a German tourist visited a temple that was under construction. There, he saw a sculptor making an idol of God. He started observing how the sculptor was making the idol. Suddenly, he noticed a similar idol lying nearby. Surprised by seeing a similar one there, he asked the sculptor, "Do you need two statues of the same idol?" "No," said the sculptor without looking up. And he continued, "We need only one, but the first one got damaged at the last stage." The gentleman was curious to know what is the mistake in that idol. He examined the idol and found no apparent damage in it. Confused, he asked the sculptor, "Where is the damage? I could not find anything." "There is a scratch on the nose of the idol," said the sculptor, still busy with his work. Now, his curiosity doubled. He wanted to know why the sculptor is making another one for this very small, near to invisible damage. So, he asked, "Where are you going to install the idol?" The sculptor replied that it would be installed on a pillar 20 feet high. Surprised on hearing that, the tourist asked the sculptor, "If the idol is that far, who is going to know that there is a scratch on the nose of it?" The sculptor stopped his work, looked up at the gentleman, smiled and said, "I will know it. I will know that." Yes, desire to excel is exclusive of the fact whether someone else appreciates or not. Excellence is a drive from inside, not from outside and not for others. Excellence is not for someone else to notice, but for our own satisfaction and efficiency. Now, tell me whether zero defect is possible, precision is possible, sustained excellence is possible. Yes, I can strongly say that zero defect is possible, precision is possible, sustained excellence, not just excellence, sustained excellence is also possible. It all starts with the attitude to refuse to settle for anything but the best. With the attitude to refuse to settle for anything but the best. Achieve excellence in your life. Thank you.